These are the brand new Pixel 9 Pro phones. That's right, I said phones because there's two. There's the Pro with a 6.3-inch screen, and then there's the XL with a 6.8-inch screen. The Pro starts at $999 like the old Pro, but it is a little bit teeny compared to the last year's model. And the large one costs $1099. For your money, you're getting lots of RAM. We're talking 16 gigabytes of RAM. For internal storage, you go from 128, or you could have 256 gigabytes, or 512, or even a terabyte of storage. The cameras on these are identical. In fact, everything about these devices is supposed to be identical according to Google, except for the screen size and the battery. And I'm gonna say the price because it's $100. That actually matters. These screens get super bright with a peak brightness of 3,000 nits. That's flat out ridiculous. That means if it's super bright and the sun is shining on you, you're going to be able to see your screen, which is quite impressive. Last year's devices impressed us. These are gonna be insane. The camera bar is totally different. Now we've got this pill-shaped look. We got a soft touch back, which makes it really nice and grippy. On the sides, we've got this really shiny look on the frame, which is catching some fingerprints, but how often are you looking at your frames? Again, you're gonna be looking at that screen and you won't be able to see anything but the display. It wouldn't be a Pixel phone without a new Tensor, and these are running the Tensor G4, which is the same system on a chip that you'll find in the Pixel 9. We're talking tons and tons of AI stuff that this thing can do on device. So every time you want to mess with things, you don't need to connect to the cloud if you don't want to. If you want to just do private AI stuff, you can do on device only. However, if you want, you can connect to the cloud to do more fun things. There's a ton of features to talk about with the Pixel 9 Pros. We're going to get our hands on it for a full review, and we'll let you know what we think. I'm Ayaz Akhtar with PC Mag, and these are the Pixel 9 Pro.